When you will search on dropshipping in YouTube search bars, you will see at least 1000 videos, okay? At least. And everyone's, I mean, selling courses, affiliate, sponsorship, everything, okay? So I don't want to waste your time and your money. Please listen to carefully, and this video, when you will start dropshipping, must be see this video before start, because in this video you will learn everything about that why dropshipping, because in 2025, in this year or in future, dropshipping will be very hard. And if you follow this right strategy, then I can definitely guarantee you potentially you will get success. So for example, in here I see lot of videos, so you will be confused what video is valuable, which video I will see, okay? Just see even 1000, even 10,000 videos. So I will show you exactly. I don't want to say that my video is great, my video is best. No, only you will justify, you will think in your mind what I am showing you, what I am saying you, okay? Because beginner dropshipper or experienced dropshipper, like beginner dropshipper, almost 80% fail because of the they don't follow the right strategy, and they think that he will become a millionaire in 1 month. No man, it's not true. It is very false mindset, okay? This is not the realistic, this is not the true, okay? So let's see, only 6 steps. If you follow, I can promise you, you will become a good dropshipper within 1 year or 2 year, okay? No, dropshipping is not for 1 month, 2 month, even not 6 month. At least 1 to 2 year you have to give time, enough time, skill, money, everything, okay? Then this dropshipping business is for you. So your first step will be strong mindset, okay? Just see, strong mindset means this business will be your long time business, not for short time. At least 2 year you have to give time in this sector, 2 year at least. And also have money, like if you can good at organic marketing, content creation, video creation, good at creative, then okay, you can save a lot of money. But the first things you need is strong mindset, okay? Most dropshipper fails because they have a weak mindset, they have fear, and they just try for 1 month, 1 week. That's why they don't get good result, and they give up. And they think that dropshipping is a scam, dropshipping is not good business, this is totally scam. No, this is the opposite, man. This is a good business, it has a bright future. Number 2 is learn AI. Yes, AI is the future. AI, if you follow AI every steps, and in future AI will dominate the e-commerce and every market. So if you must need to learn AI, because AI saving our time, saving our money. So people, why will give manual dropshipping or traditional dropshipping? No, this is not the times for using traditional dropshipping. No, this is for AI and future. In future, only some click, in some click you can create store, marketing, everything, okay? So you have to become expert in AI. In AI, in dropshipping, a lot of AI tools like photo editing, video editing, marketing. So lot of, in next video I will show you exactly step by step which AI tools is good, okay? Now next step is fast and reliable shipping, because customers day by day they would want even in 1 day shipping, in 2 day, 3 day, not maximum 7 days, okay? So you have to find out the fast and reliable shipping, man. No, it's not like that 15 days, 21 days. This is 1 year, 2 years ago, even 2022, during COVID, this is happened. That time this is good, but upcoming days and in future, even you need at least 4 to 5 days shipping time, okay? I am a dropshipping supplier, I am also giving faster shipping time. Just comment me what product you are selling, any price, any service I can beat than other competitor, okay? I can beat, okay? No problem. Just tell me what service you need for shipping, okay? fast shipping, price no problem, no matter. Next step is niche based store. People trust a niche based store. Okay, they don't trust that they don't trust that a random product selling store. No, this is not good. You have to make a brand store. Branding dropshipping is very very important. Okay, people love that a store selling one category product, this is a trusted product, and they will definitely buy. So niche based store is very very important. Next step is SEO and organic traffic. Man, trust me, ad creative ad paid advertising is very very expensive, because paid dropshipping is 80% 90% almost fail. Okay, I see a lot of dropshippers spend $1,000 $2,000 on ads, they don't good result, because now in every ad platform, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, other things, lot of money need for in advertising. Okay, so that's why you need to focus on SEO and organic traffic. And last thing is the customer experience. This is very very important, because you have to track every customer experience, what they are saying about your service, and every things you have to follow. If they need fast shipping, you have to solve these issues. If they need good product return, you have to fix these issues. Otherwise you will lose customers, your dropshipping business will not grow. Okay, so every customer's problem you have to fix, and their experience you have to record, and in review you just keep in review systems, and every systems that what customers giving, just keep in your store, and also make a good sheet that what is the main problem in customers, just solve it. Okay, so thank you so much guys. So in future, this is the update information about dropshipping. Just follow this and solve this, and just keep your mindset good. Okay, that's it. Okay, no problem. And just stay connected with me. Please don't spend any money on advertising or courses. Okay, just follow my rules. Okay, so thank you so much. When you will search on dropshipping in YouTube search bar,